Old nasty pump. Going back in the box. Got a core on it. I've seen a ton of these things posted to where they've taken them apart, but none of them where they've put them back together, started them up and drove them off. So just thought I would make one where I'm putting it back together instead. Anyway, 07 model. Did not have to take the turbo off or EGR. As you can see, new one's in. Brand spanking. Well, brand spanking remanufactured. You can see it down through there, you know, just right there. A little new stuff. Anyway, I'm going to get back to work. And when I come to a point that I need to show you a little trick, I'll start this back. Alright, we got to put this little dude back in here. This little upper intake crossover goes down in that hole right there. Not really a big deal. Just kind of fishes down in there like so. Kind of got to wiggle it around a little bit, and it sits right back down in there. All right. Front bolts, not too bad to tell what you need to do there. You got your holes here and down here. Up here, you just have to run them in by hand, which is not too bad. Snug them all back up. That's hiding behind this pipe. You have to kind of finagle the pipe a little bit. The tricky ones are the ones way down in there. Kind of hard to get the angle where you can see it, but it's the bottom one down in there, and you just have to kind of get yourself off to the side where you can look down in there, get your light situated where it shines down in the hole there, and you can see the stud that goes on. And anyway, what I used to do there. Alright, this is it right here. I had to reach down, back down in there. What I got, that's what you need right there. Just looks like a standard 1/4 inch drive extension, but it's got that little wobble tip on it there. And you just kind of go in from this angle here down in there. Now, you know, I'll have to put the camera down and get up in there, but that's how I got to them. You just come back in from this angle over here. You have to move your light and stuff around, but you can fish it down through there and get to it with that, and it gives you enough wobble to it that it gets on it without any problems. Now, the other trick to this is you got to get your nut down in there on top of that stud. And a lot of people have different ways of doing this. Piece of paper stuck in the end of the extension, jam the nut on it, or take and get you a long screwdriver. Yeah, I'll just have to catch that phone in a minute. Can't interrupt my YouTube video. Anyway, you slide that nut onto that, and then you reach down in the hole with the screwdriver, put it on top of the stud. And I won't do it right there yet because I'm not quite ready, but anyway, once you get over top of the stud, you go with your nut in it, drops down right on top of your stud there, just like that, and you're ready to go. Anyhow, I'm going to get that part done, and I'll turn this back on my next step. See ya. Alright, just a quick shot. Tricks of the trade. Down in the hole there. Yep, kind of hard to see. Oh, it's tough on an old man. Anyhow, right there. I'm kind of wiggling it. If you can see it down in there or not. There's the socket on the nut and its extension. Have to get up in here with it. Okay, as promised, all back together. I know what you're saying. Well, that could be picture before he started. I guess you'll just have to trust me on that. Anyway, here it goes. Purr. Just like it's supposed to. We got about 6 psi fuel pressure at our test port over here. Key on, engine off. That's with the lift pump running. Got about 6 inches of vacuum at a 2500 RPM and about 2 inches of vacuum at idle. Runs like it should. And there it goes. Like I promised. Driving away. Gone.